Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions.
My name is Ruby. Today I'm doing a get ready with me to go outside for things. Totally. Let's get started. I hope the New Year so far has been going well for you. Today I'll be styling this shirt with this bikini bottom and these oversized jeans. They're not really designed as oversized. They're 29 straight men's, but they're oversized on me. So first, I'm gonna do some makeup. I didn't film this, but I use CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, CeraVe SA Cream, and then on top of that, I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 50, fragrance free, and that's all currently on my skin. I don't like to do foundation or contour or highlights or anything like that. I mostly only use concealer and this is the Rare Beauty blush. I'm not sure what color this is in. It's broken. It usually has a little brush situation there. I actually can't see what I'm doing at all. I'm going to keep that on so I can see any blemishes or scarring I have. I put a drop on. And anything that's particularly present, I layer upon. So my camera actually ran out of space. Let's just continue. Sorry for the change of lighting. It's a different settings and I'm not sure how to get those on my phone. So we're gonna blend this blush out. It's nice and subtle, and I think I'm going to be doing a black lip on top of it. To line with this NK liner. That's something. Any stickers to on it. It says auto eyeliner, but I'm using it. It can be used as a lip liner as well. Just in my mirror. Actually can't see a thing. I start in the middle where I want it is right, and I just follow it all the way down. NK cream lipstick and with vitamin E and a tissue for the waterline. Next up is hair. I have around 4 hair. I'll just be using this oil blend with black castor oil and a spray bottle with a apple cider vinegar salve inside. Now I'm going to get dressed. was it for this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Any questions you have, you can drop them in the comment section and I will reply. Thanks for watching. One extra thing, you can find pictures of me and of this outfit, more pictures, on my Instagram, which will be tagged below the video.